Which is better for diabetics, oatmeal or cream of wheat? There are many different types of breakfast cereals on the market, but which one is the best for diabetics? Oatmeal is a good choice for diabetics because it is a whole grain and it is high in fiber. Fiber helps to slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, which is important for diabetics. Oatmeal is also a good source of vitamins and minerals. Cream of wheat is also a good choice for diabetics. It is made from wheat, which is a whole grain. Like oatmeal, cream of wheat is high in fiber, which helps to slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Cream of wheat is also a good source of vitamins and minerals. So, which is better for diabetics? Ultimately, the best decision for diabetics is to consult with a physician or registered dietitian to create a personalized meal plan. Thanks, please do subscribe, like and share our video.